How to embed a website in a particular Teams message. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can embed a website link directly to your Microsoft Teams messages. So in order to embed any website link, the first step is to obviously copy the particular link of that particular website that you want to embed in your message. And once you are done with the copying of the URL of the particular website, you can simply go to that particular chat where you would like to share this. So to demonstrate, I'll be going with this particular meeting chat that I had already prepared, and once I'm in here I can simply go to this type a message and then paste the particular website link like this using the shortcut control V. And once I will paste the link, you can see the preview right here, and it will show you the preview of the particular link or of any specific web page of the website. And once you are done with this, you can simply click onto the send button in order to send the embedded website in this WhatsApp message. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.